So I started this business out of a need to find household products that were safe, effective, and good for me and my family. And I really couldn't find any. I had to make them myself. So I got certified in everything from aromatherapy to reflexology to holistic cosmetic formulation to learn how to make everything myself. I really love working with a client on exactly the things that they need. If there's a certain fragrance you don't like, if there's a certain condition you have in your skin and you need some help with something, I can create a shampoo, I can create a facial system, I can create a deodorant, I can make a cosmetic, anything at all. I can take all that stuff out, I can add things in, whatever you might need. LC Natural Health and Beauty. Lotions, potions, and commotions that are safe, effective, and good for you.